right sweeper must be part of the solution, never part of the problem. So this new machine follows the Johnston philosophy to the letter. Greater productivity with lower cost of ownership. High performance with minimal environmental impact. Ease of operator use with least downtime. It's what you demand, it's what the V651 delivers. Matching engine power to the job with low fuel consumption and the least environmental impact is the goal. And Johnston achieved this with 3 options for powering cleaning operations. Auxiliary engines from John Deere or JCB, or our own hydrostatic or semi-hydrostatic drive. Performance is tailored to the task. 1500 revs per minute in whisper mode, suitable for most operations, or 2000 revs per minute for heavily soiled areas and tougher jobs. But even at maximum revs, Johnston noise suppression keeps the sound power down to very low levels. Auxiliary engine speed and fan speed are controlled by Johnston's CAN bus system, providing feedback on engine revs, fuel consumption and service information, all of which can be downloaded onto a USB stick for later analysis. But it's here, at the business end, where Johnston really excels, with standard equipment and a range of options to match any conditions. The shortest wheelbase in its class makes it easier to maneuver and extends its productivity. Standard vacuum nozzles more than deal with street rubbish, but CombiVac nozzles can be fitted to allow even faster sweeping speeds. Johnston's Rototilt brush arms scour cambered curbsides and deep clean crevices. Power Thrust boosts pressure to the channel brushes in heavy waste. Power Scrub boosts pressure to the main broom. The V651 also allows dual sweeping, operating both suction boxes and channel arms simultaneously. To keep fine surfaces looking good, it has line cleaning jets, combined with superwash chisel jets. The main broom can now be adjusted via the pendant control to ensure maximum contact is maintained. And all controlled with the press of a button, with key information fed back to the driver. The longer the sweeper stays on station, the better return on your investment, and the V651 can do more for longer than any sweeper in its class. We achieve this by offering 3 large capacity hopper sizes and greater onboard water storage, which, when combined with Johnston's water recirculation systems, makes the water supply go further still. The V651 does more when it's moving and more when it's stationary. A range of tools extends the versatility of the machine and the productivity of the operator. Street furniture can be washed down with the 15-meter hose combined with the superwash hand lance, which can also be used to clean down the vehicle after use. Litter that's beyond the reach of the brushes is easily gathered with the litter snatch. The top-mounted wander hose empties gullies and drains or collects large items, while the operator stays safe on the curbside. One vehicle doing the work of many. V651 multitasking helps municipal authorities reduce the number of vehicles needed to complete regular operations, saving time, saving money, reducing emissions and environmental impact. When tipping, a built-in floor gradient increases the angle to facilitate complete emptying of the hopper, with no need for extra work for the operator. In addition, the exceptional opening angle of the rear door ensures that it is not damaged as the sweeper moves forward after tipping. The The V651 has been developed from years of listening to operators who place productivity at the top of their list. So we've engineered it not only to be reliable, but to make it easy to maintain. The enclosed, self-contained engine compartment protects components from the elements and significantly reduces noise. Engine packs are easy to access, and daily checks are completed through the CAN bus system. Steel pipes replace flexible hoses where possible. Proximity switches replace micro switches. And of course, fault diagnosis is easier in the first place with the CAN bus system. As cities evolve, so do Johnston sweepers to keep pace. It's our job to keep city authorities and contractors on top of the challenge, and the evolutionary V651 is the perfect example. It more than meets the most stringent requirements for high productivity, low cost of ownership, with the minimum environmental impact. In the battle for the city streets, Johnston will always keep you on the winning side.